Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce our Bluetooth dongle with PHONAK Roger series headset. It's a Bluetooth headset. Okay, after the Roger series pair with our dongle, then we can use the remote PTT to talk. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can hear the audio is coming to another radio. Then we test the speaker. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can hear the audio is coming to the speaker. So we make the PHONAK Roger series working successful on our dongle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Test. Okay, thank you for your watching. If you